What's up, YouTube, man? We back with another video. My man's, man, he ripping a 5.3 out of a Avalanche. Straight ripping it out. Oh shit, we got some smoke, man. What's going on? Oh shit. Damn. What he did to the blade, y'all.
Hey.
Check it out.
That's that cheap ass shit, bro.
Got a replacement.
Got to, man, to get this bitch out and take this motherfucker to
So
the
what
shop.
we doing to this 5.3? You ain't put no cam or none of that in there?
I ain't doing shit. I'm just gonna drop the whole drivetrain in that bitch this weekend.
This the one you just pulled up to the AutoZone, right?
Yeah.
You took the wheels off of it?
Yeah. Yeah, on my other truck for right now. Nigga, why would I want that?
Didn't you just say
The one in the bed.
You gonna need a couple of them motherfuckers. Damn.
Yeah, you got 604 for that bitch. I have some range ones that I never use.
Yeah, it's 4L80.
Here you go, bro. Put this on the nose.
What's that?
Bro, that's E-pump.
A what?
E-pump.
Man, this TBI, man. This ain't no LS pimp.
No, that's right there.
Oh.
TBI, that's a Vortex truck.
Yeah, it's throttle body injected though.
No, they got a spider injector. So that's what's a couple. I can use that now too, like all my shit.
We got 6.0 on the ground. 6.0s everywhere. That a 6.0? What's this? What we got right there? What the fuck is that? This is 6.0?
Yeah. Out of van.
What you gonna do with it?
Shit, put it in here.
Damn, all y'all, there's plenty Tahoes around this town, man.
Yeah, everybody say they hard to get. No, that shit, you just gotta pay.
They everywhere.
Get a raggedy one. Man, what the fuck, Jay?
I see everybody with Tahoes up here. I'm like, damn, this must have been Tahoe City. Them two of those Tahoes be smacking though. Straight up. Motherfucker, right.
Oh, here go one. Shit, this motherfucker gonna do better than what the fuck I'm working with. You feel me? Got a little rough on it, gonna knock shit down. My soul trying to do something, man. But hell yeah, bro.
She almost loose. That's What the fam out here with the thumper, man? What you gonna do with that, man? That clip, man. Yeah.
Kick that shit from running. And that 4080, bro, that bitch was giving me havoc. What a chain. Shit, we just pulled the truck with it.
You funny, man.
You been fucking with that one little black shorty at your work and shit.
Shit. She pregnant, man. Shit, I ain't.
She need to go to Crusader herself.
Damn.
Alright,
I'm gonna have to edit that out, man. Motherfucker coming out, y'all.
that trans probably stuck up in there.
You ain't pull a drive shaft?
Yeah, they ain't got no rear end.
Oh.
This bitch ain't had a drive shaft in months.
Damn, ain't no rear end in this bitch. Let's see what's going on underneath there, man.
Damn.
That motherfucker will not budge.
Keep going, nigga.
Ain't take us off. That motherfucker's come right on out now.
First time I had to pull an intake to get this bitch out. Even after pulling it.
It's because of this right here.
Alright, y'all. Train this bitch right there.
Oh, let me get away, bro. My bad.
I don't even know what you're saying. Drop it down a little bit.
And she out.
I thought we were just gonna put it in the back of your Durango. Ain't it all-wheel drive?
Yeah. I don't drink no more though. Still an alcoholic, man.
Exactly. You think he's proud about that shit, though, man? The fuck? I've been told you us need to chill the fuck out. What type of beer you drink?
I gotta drink, goddammit, Budweiser or better.
Come on!
I don't fuck with no Milwaukee Best. Heineken, Budweiser.
That's for females.
What? Budweiser?
Everything you just named, females and white men.
Oh, you drink malt liquor.
He drink Milwaukee's best.
That's that 5.6%. Your ass be drunk as a bitch off that shit.
5'9". 5'9" like a goddamn year taller than you.
She out. You got that bitch out of there. Damn.
Pull that bitch forward a little bit. What, you used to that two-wheel drive shit?
Shit. Hell yeah, two-wheel drive. This motherfucker extra long. Your big ass, this motor ain't shit to you. You swing this bitch around.
Got my shit leaning hard as fuck. You got it? Hold it right there. Swing that bitch. I gotta go this way. And then back. Hold on, I'm leaning. Shit.
Drop your trunk down a little bit.
Yeah. Just jump. Fuck this thing. You niggas always look crazy.
Looking crazy?
Ah. Are you ready?
For what? For you to lift the oil pan up as well?
As far as your shit go up? Oh yeah.
Be leaning. I bent it up. When you pull the whole drive chain like this, that bitch. Alright, come on.
And she out.
What's in?
Bitch out. Yeah, that bitch in now.
Both tailgates.
Out and in. Got that bitch right up on there.
We're gonna have to scoot this bitch over. This unjoint's gotta go with it.
Oh, it's going to big one.
Sipping on gin, reminiscing all night. Blowing up in by the day, baby.
Look, it's slippery as a bitch up in this mother. 6 so who Malibu is that?
So for the Camaro, I don't know, some nigga who wants to take it off the frame and do the frame and shit.
Oh, that's for the Camaro, huh?
Yeah.
Let me know when you ready, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Ready to what? Get it to his cousin? How we coming?
All that ugly ass shit.
It's a nice little Malibu right here. Y'all check this Malibu out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments section. Landau. So what y'all doing with this frame?
71 Impala, all two-wheeler. Body shop.
You doing it or somebody else?
No, that's my bullshit.
Alright, I put new tubular A-arms on my shit.
Ah, fuck! Hold on.
Where did it hit your foot?
No, it's slippery. He about to bust his ass.
Oh.
You good? I'm done.
This motherfucker, man, I can't wait to see this one built. They out here with no gloves on, man. Pulling motors and shit. Improvise.
Hard to get in there.
Blazer, Tahoe.
This one I think is Tahoe.
What's yours, a Blazer?
Yeah.
Damn near a Tahoe, shit. Can't you put them backlights on there? You know the ones they putting on there now?
You could, but I don't want them.
How long you had this?
Couple months.